The bald eagle is actually a sea eagle haliaetus species that commonly occurs inland along rivers and large lakes. The adult male is about 90 centimeters 36 inches long and has a wingspan of 2 meters 6.6 feet. Females, which grow somewhat larger than males, may reach 108 centimeters 43 inches in length and have a wingspan of 2.5 meters 8 feet. Both sexes are dark brown, with a white head and tail. The bird is not actually bald. Its name derives from the conspicuous appearance of its white feathered head. The beak, eyes, and feet are yellow. The bald eagle's nest is a large platform of sticks built atop a large, isolated tree or pinnacle of rock located within easy flight of water. Nests are usually about 1.5 meters 5 feet wide, but old nests can be almost twice this size. The 2 or 3 eggs laid within take slightly longer than a month to hatch. Both parents share in the incubation and feeding of the young. The immature birds are brown with whitish tail and wing linings, but the pure white head and tail plumage do not appear until the birds are 4 to 5 years old. Bald eagles pluck fish out of the water with their talons, and sometimes they follow seabirds as a means of locating fish. Bald eagles also rob ospreys of their fish. Besides live fish, bald eagles also prey on other birds, small mammals, snakes, turtles, and crabs, and they readily eat carrion. Eagles may have numbered in the hundreds of thousands when they were declared the American national bird in 1782, but their numbers steadily declined over the next 2 centuries owing to human activities and persecution. The birds were hunted for sport, for bounties offered by state and federal governments, and because they were thought to menace livestock. In Alaska, where eagles perched on fish, traps and scared away the salmon, an annoyance eventually overcome by fitting the traps with devices to discourage perching, Alaskan bounty hunters killed more than 100,000 eagles in the period 1917 to 52. The U.S. government's Bald Eagle Protection Act of 1940 made it illegal to kill bald eagles. Alaska was exempt, but the bird's numbers continued to decline, primarily because of the effects of the pesticide DDT, which came into widespread. This accumulated in the bird's tissues and interfered with the formation of the shells of their eggs. The thin, weak shells laid by heavily contaminated birds were easily broken and fewer young were produced. By the early 1960s, U.S. government declared the bald eagle an endangered species in all but a few of the northernmost states by the late 1980s. These measures had enabled the birds to replenish their numbers in the wild. The bald eagle was reclassified from endangered to threatened status in 1995, by which time there were an estimated 4,500 nesting pairs in the lower 48 states. By 2000, the population had increased to more than 6,300 pairs, and in 2007, the eagle was removed from the U.S. list of endangered and threatened species. Like all hawks and eagles, the eagle belongs to the family Accipitridae of the order Falconiformes. Sea eagle, any of various large fish-eating eagles, especially in the genus Haliaetus, of which the bald eagle is best known. Sea eagles, sometimes called fish eagles or fishing eagles, live along rivers, big lakes, and tidewaters throughout the world except South America. Some reach 1 meter 3.3 feet long, with a wingspan nearly twice that. All have exceptionally large high-arched beaks and bare lower legs. The undersurfaces of the toes are roughened for grasping slippery prey. These birds eat much carrion but sometimes kill. They snatch fish from the water surface, and often the largest sea eagle is Steller's sea eagle H. pelagicus of Korea, Japan, and Russia's Far East, particularly the Kamchatka Peninsula. This bird has a wingspan surpassing 2 meters 6.6 feet and can weigh up to 9 kilograms. The only sea eagle of North America is the bald.
Thank you for watching the Ozing Planet Philippines. Please like, comment, and shares, and don't forget to subscribe.